Hey guys, welcome back to Life on Greenwood in New Jersey. My typical morning is just getting up, going downstairs, getting a cup of coffee, maybe checking my email. By the way, this new pillow is my new cervical pillow, and I'm really loving it. I'll leave the details in the description box. It's very comfortable. And I got a few packages from Amazon. So these came quickly. I was really surprised. So I'll do a little unboxing here. Now these were in this was sitting in my cart for a long time. I wasn't sure if I was going to get them or if I was just going to work with something I already had. You know, I'm a real big fan of that layered look of like neck chains. I've seen a lot of like gold chains hanging around the neck. This is something I've had for like 50 years almost, it seems. Most of the time you can't even see it. But anyway, I'm a fan of like the layered look. You see like they have like 4 or 5 different layered chains hanging around the neck. So I saw something on Amazon and I said, let me try this. Oh, so this is how it came. This is the box. Oh, my hands are so ashy. Hang on. Whew. It's so dry. It gets so dry in this house. The heat just goes like right from, 50, 60 degrees in here to hell. I've never been able to regulate this heat. We have 2 different thermostats. When they built the house, there was I think there was 1, and then they had to go around to all the homes and redo the heating and give us 2 zones or something, and it has never worked. The one upstairs does something, and the one downstairs has its own mind. If you turn that one on downstairs, and it'll be 68 degrees downstairs, and it'll be 100 degrees upstairs. It just takes over. But anyway, I digress. But it's just, what was I saying? I was so dry because of the heat that's in here. All right, I think I've kind of tamed the ash. All right, so here's the name of the company. And, oh, it just slides open like this. They're really packed in here. Oh, a nice little velvet. There's velvet on the bottom. That's cool. Here they are. I think there was like 4 or 5. I'll enclose a link. I got them on Amazon, so I'll include a link if you're interested in these. One chain I think that looks like it's 4 or 5 is what if I remember it. God, it's been a while. But it's like, I think it's one chain that looks like 4 or 5. Let me untangle this and come back. And here you have it. It's it's connected by 1 clasp. But it's got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 chains connected by a single clasp. And I think this is going to be so cute on like sweaters and necklaces. Let me hide mine. Although I think it would fit right in. Let's see how this looks. I think it would look better with a sweater or shirt without a collar. But we're going to try it on with this sweater and see how it looks. I think it looks nice. Again, I think it will look better on a shirt, a sweater without a collar. What do you think? But tell me how you like it overall. I think it's going to look nice on a sweater with no collar, or something a little bit more like this. I could see like this with like a little sweatshirt or something. And all right, so I'm going to keep that on. I think it's cute. I'm going to keep it on. And I like the box. Nice and sturdy. And the second thing I got is these stockings of their Cozy Wow Fishnet Tights, 2 pair. And these were $12.90, $12.99, I think they are. And you've seen me, I've worked with this brand before on some tights, some really nice opaque tights. Really good, really nice. And they gave away like 5 pairs of tights to my subscribers. They gave away tights to 5 of my subscribers, let's say that. And if you got a pair of tights from Cozy Wow during my giveaway, please comment below. Let me know how you're enjoying them, because this is definitely the season for them. Okay, so these are some fishnet tights. It comes with 2 pair. This and this. It's like a skull and crossbones. Ooh. But these, I'm definitely going to try these on. As a matter of fact, I have a look that I'm working up to. What's going on? So much going on in the street. That I'm working on it with one of my thrifted pairs of boots, of booties. So I'll work on that. But anyway, I opened that up. There's so much going on in this development, but I can't wait to bring you guys along with a little bit more of what I'm doing at the my townhouse and what's going on. I like this. Like this. So I have a few errands to run today. Definitely to Walmart and to Goodwill, of course. Some things I need to take over to Goodwill. So I'm dropping some stuff off, and I don't plan to go inside, but knowing me, I might. So I'll take you along with me as I go, and waiting for my son to come back. But anyway, all right, let's get started. So I just left Walmart, picked up a few things, and I am headed over to McDonald's. I have a coupon, so you know, one of those buy one get one frees, and for chicken, the chicken sandwiches. I like the spicy chicken sandwiches. Now I'm trying not to eat any bread, but so I may have to take the chicken off of the sandwich and maybe just put it over some salad greens, but we'll see. But anyway, I'm taking advantage of the coupons. Buy one, get one free. So let's go. Okay, so I made it back home and I'm just going to chill out before I end this video. Came home and I'm just going to take some of the clear polish off my nails and just chill. I'll get a cup of tea or something. But while I was here, I found this little gadget. At first glance, guys, tell me what you think this is. Funny. Tell me what you think it is. Tell me what you think it is. Leave your comments. It's an old nail manicure set that I found and runs by batteries. I forgot I had it. I guess I must have left it here at the house. But I'm going to clean up my nails. That was just a little laugh for you guys. I'm going to clean up my nails and put on some press-on nails that a company sent me. I think I'll show these press-ons in another video. I'll show you what they look like in another video or how they turned out in another video. But I'm going to do that. But I'm just going to chill out for the evening. So, guys, enjoy your day. And I'll see you in another video at Life on Greenwood, the New Jersey edition. Hey, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And for my returning friends, thank you so much. And I'll see you guys later.